Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to record, edit, and enhance your voiceovers and audio like a pro, all inside Filmora. Let's dive in. First, open the Filmora and create a new project. Import your video clips or set the visuals you'll be narrating over. And then here, click the microphone icon below the preview screen and then go to Records, then select the voice recorder. Choose the input device, then click the red button and start recording while watching your video play in the real time. And then once recorded, the voiceover appears in your timeline. You can now cut or trim awkward pauses, adjust the timing by dragging the audio track, or use fade in and out for smoother transitions. Then here, click the audio track, then hit the audio on the top toolbar. Here you can reduce the background noise, adjust the pitch and the volume. You can add the preset or reverb for dramatic effects. And then line up your audio to match the key visuals or scene. You can lock it to the place or group it with the video for easy movement. And that's it. You've now learned how to record and edit the voiceovers in Filmora, a clean, sync, and studio quality. If you found this very helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the creative tips. Thanks for watching.